homemade. And today, guys, I'm going to be making a very special dish that's dear to my heart. I love it. I've been eating it since I was a child. I don't know, it's one of my favorites. Liver, onions, and gravy. So I have my flour here. We're just going to season it out with some Shelly's house seasoning. Or you could just use your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Maybe some salt, pepper, seasoning, or garlic. Maybe some salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic would do just fine. I have my liver here that I rinse very gently because you don't want to handle it too much. It'll tear and rip on you, and that's what it'll do. So you don't want to handle your liver too much. Alright, so I'm going to take this time out right now just before I forget to say to all my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, guys. Give me a thumbs up. You know, let me know. And what we're going to do here is just mix this flour in. You want our flour thoroughly seasoned. So I like to season my flour until I see, like, you know, all the pepper flakes and all the seasoning in there. That lets me know that my flour is ready to go and highly seasoned. Alright, then we're going to take this dirty flour and we're going to put it in there. We're going to make gravy. We're going to make gravy with this. Alright, so let me show you how to gently grab your liver. And this is baby calf liver. You know, calf is a baby anyway, but yeah, this is calf liver, beef liver. And just make sure that you get it all the way coated. And make sure that your grease is nice and hot. Nice and hot. I have another liver and onions video where I use some gravy mix. You know, I like using gravy mix too. But you know, things have been rough. You know, people's pockets aren't like that. To spend that extra couple dollars. You know, kids going back to school. You know, bills are due. Things like that. You know, so I understand. I know. Alright, just pat that in. And gently. There's 4 slices of liver. My kids does not like liver. No matter how hard I tried to feed it to them. They would sit at the table and just look at me like, "Meh, no, we're not doing liver. We're not doing it." But it's okay. I love liver. So just make sure you just get it in there, fully coated. Just fully coat your liver with that flour. And I got some pieces here. Yeah, can't forget them. Alright. So then we're going to move over to the stove, get these in our pan, and get them all fried up when I come back. Alright, so let's get our flour pieces. And I chose a wide pan so they wouldn't, you know, touch. And they shrink out pretty quick, so I can get that 4th piece in there. Just like so. And get that buddy in there. Get in there, buddy. My little pieces. And we're going to let these fry on both sides and let them get nice and crispy. See, they already starting to cook up for me. And I just want them to get nice and crispy on each side. Then I'm going, oh, look at that, it's already starting to give what it's supposed to. Then, once it does that, we're going to get it out and we're going to make some gravy, guys. We're going to make some good old fashioned gravy. I'm taking it back old school, honey. Okay, so our liver is ready to be turned, nice and crispy. I'm just gonna flip it over. Smells amazing. Alright, so when we come back, we're gonna start that gravy. Alright, so our liver is ready to come out. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous liver. We're going to cook it in the gravy. We're going to dump out some of this oil. Guys, there's a little bit too much oil in there to make gravy. And we're going to dump out everything because we need some of those bits to make delicious, incredible gravy. Alright, so gravy time. And get these onions in there. These are 2 onions. I like a lot of onions. And my living onions, when I make living onions, I like a lot. Don't judge. You can put as many as you want in there, or as little as you like. I'm just setting the roadmap for you to go ahead and do what you want to do. So I'm going to add a little bit of Shelly's house seasoning. Swish it around. Now, I don't like my onions too cooked. Now we're gonna add some flour, a couple tablespoons of our dirty flour. Take our whisk and just cook that bad boy up. Now onions suck up that oil, and we just want to cook the flour taste out. I think I might have dumped out a little too much of that oil. It's alright. You can always add to, but you can never take out. We just want to get it going, get a nice color, and that flour taste all cooked out to make it nice and delicious. And I'm using my whisk. And we're going to add a little beef bouillon. Get about a tablespoon in there. All for that good flavor. You don't have beef, you use chicken, you better than bouillon. Or you just use beef broth. And we're going to add 4 cups of water. We're going to start with 2. All mixed in. Just keep on whisking. Looks delicious. See how it's thickening? That's what you want. And you just slowly adjust and add your water. Makes amazing gravy. Add some more water. So far we have added 2 cups. It's getting there. It's getting there. And we want it all off of the onions. You can add some green bell peppers in here if you wanted to. You can add some mushrooms. Sky is the limit, guys, when you're in here cooking. To let your imagination do the walking. Alright, I'm going to add a little more water. So a total of 3 cups of water is what was needed. And since I like my gravy dark, we're going to use some browning. A tablespoon. That going, then we're going to taste this gravy and adjust it for seasoning if need be. And that's the color we talk about. Look at that. That's the color you want. That is beautiful gravy. I'm telling you, I'm a gravy making machine, baby. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Ain't nothing but a party when you come in this kitchen with the shelf stuff. I'm telling you. Alright, give it a taste. Perfect. Don't need anything. Anything. Alright, we're going to put these back in. We're going to let these cut and get nice and tender. Nice and tender. Nice, dark, beautiful gravy. Some of those chunks back in there. It helped flavor that gravy. I didn't even add any more oil. So it's not a greasy film on top of this gravy. Look at that. Beautiful, smooth, no lump gravy. So we're going to let this cook down in this grease. And when we come back, we're going to plate it up and show you exactly how it looks. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so this is the final results of our liver onion gravy. I put a little corn on the side and a little rice to go with it. See? So tender, you just cut it with a fork. Absolutely delicious. It's hot now. It is amazing. So tender. I'm just getting in there with that fork. Delicious. Y'all guys gotta like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. And I'm gonna see you in the next video.